Jamaica Volleyball Association President Jacqueline Cowan will serve on the board of the North Central America and the Caribbean Volleyball Association after Cristobal Marte Hafiz was returned as president. Hafiz will lead NORCECA for another term from 2024 to 2028 after returning unopposed at the 27th Congress in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic on Sunday. Cowan has also been appointed to the Sports Organizing Commission for NORCECA. Other Jamaicans elected were O'Neil Banks to the Development Commission, Dr. Gillian Lawrence to the Medical Commission, Cheryl Daly to the Athletes Commission, and Audley Ware, who will serve on both the Beach Volleyball Commission and Technical, Statistics and Volleyball Information System Commission. All appointments will run up to 2028. It has been a significant few weeks for Jamaica's volleyball, with a contingent of close to 20 women and the support staff landing in China for a 2-month training camp as part of the 3-year technical cooperation project for sport between the governments of Jamaica and China. Jamaica is also gearing up for the Kazova Under-19 Boys and Girls Championships, which will take place from July 26 through to August 4 at GC Foster College.